former De La Salle players, Hernandez and Cruz. Of course, Shaq Cruz, yes. Of course, here waiting for the next match. Of course, a lot of the people we mentioned earlier, and a lot of greens and yellows here at the arena, of course.
Early on.
Early on.
Of course, people anticipating that match between De La Salle University and UST. Well, another hitting error there this time by Dew again, actually. But UP, no, so far, third set, fourth set, sila naman yung committing those unforced errors. Geyser. This is Ong. Masangkay. Again to Bulan. Oh, good chase. Free ball, but a good chase by UP.
Oh, almost a good block, but the angle was facing the right side of the court.
So you can see here Masangkay giving it to Bulan. You know, you can, from the first set to the third set, you can see the difference in the confidence level of Bulan. Parang now she knows, okay, I'm a go-to person. Parang Coach Boy has found the gem in Bulan.
Of course, itong si Bulan is already on her fourth playing year. Definitely one of the seniors already here for the Lady Warriors. And yun nga yung sinasabi natin, Bulan is doing an excellent job, but what we're looking for at this point in time is some support also from the rest of the squad.
That's right, especially with people like Dawis. Hitting error there this time by UE. You know, both squads kind of iffy right now, so the match is kind of close. 9 serving 10. UP now serving. That's Bersola.
Good call made by the receivers of UE.
Well, if you're UP, you gotta check really your service errors. You know, we kept saying that, no, in the second set. UE, we wondered how many service errors they scored. Now UP is committing the same.
And Ong trying to go for that off-speed shot, but not successful with that attempt.
That's right, and the UP maintains the lead, 12 serving 8, and Bulan will get to rest by staying at the back row.
And one more thing that's lacking with UP at this point is service reception. We mentioned earlier, no, na maganda yung reception nila, eksakto kay Del Mundo, but not this time around.
That's right, and they need to talk it over. Let's listen in on Coach Jared.
So kailangan lang mangyari, matapat natin na maayos. Okay, tapos ngayon, outside hitters. Okay, same Michelle. Okay, dalawa lang mangyayari dyan. So either papaluin nyo siya ng malakas or drop ball talaga yung gagawin ninyo. Hindi pwede mag-off-speed kayo ng ganyan at away pa kayo sa net. Okay? Mas magiging sigurado yan, tutulak nyo siya. So ngayon, kung anong aim ninyo, spike tayo. Okay? No, kaya nakakreate ng point kanina sa mga palo niyan kasi pwede tumama sa blockers at mag-out. Ha? Let's go! Tara!
Oh, very calm. Coach Jared, very calm, showing no signs of like panicking. So yeah, a good point. He's saying that know your goal is. You want to spike, you spike. You know, don't parang pwede naman tumama sa blockers. You know, there's still other options.
Let's see, of course, because these are rookies. These are the things that you still have to feed them and really remind them.
That's right, and another miscue there for UP. So Bulan, even at the back, doing damage for UE. 14 serving 9. Oh, another service reception error by UP that gives UE an ace. 15 serving 9.
And they're now changing liberos.
Oh, that Good effort there, but another free ball for UE. Masangkay.
That's out, and that's what we're seeing. You know, if you're trying to aim for that down the line attack, the area is just really very small. So your attack should be accurate.
Yeah, that's right. So you try to aim more, inside the line. So you have
Rather than outside the line.
Diba? And there, some people really want the line, pero parang
It's hard, no? It's
hard.
very hard.
Yeah. Aim inside, pero there's more room for error. Masangkay to Nebrida. Oh!
Off the block.
That's right, and things looking good for UE. They lead 16-10, and this is your Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break, have a Kit Kat.